Okay, Ashlyn. Let's try this again. Will you count with me? Ash, sit down. No, come back over here. Sit down. Okay, we're going to count. Look. What are these? What are they? They're cupcakes. That's right. They're cupcakes. Okay, can you count them with me? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's start again. 1, 2. You gotta look. Look. 1, 2. Look, Ashlyn. Look at the cupcakes. No. Okay, Ashlyn, look at the cupcakes. We're going to count cupcakes. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. How many cupcakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many cupcakes? 8. Say 8 cupcakes.
8 cupcakes.
That's right. There are 8 cupcakes. What number is this? It's the number 8. Good job. Put them together. 8. 8 cupcakes. You do it. Say, help me. Help me. Push. Ta-da! Yay! 8 cupcakes. Ashlyn has 8 cupcakes. Ashlyn has 8 cupcakes. Yay!